From the club back to my place. Wow, all this money on me. Now come take it from a G. All she tryna do is get naked, and she gon' shake it.
That's good. Try some more. That's the morning face. Look at the morning face. That's the best thing to wake up to in the morning. Look at that face. You wanna go bye-bye the car? 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 Okay, let's go bye-bye. K Ruggs, the sober dog, and Gemma girl. So me and Gemma are just sitting here hanging out. K Ruggs, the sober dog, with my trusty sidekick Gemma girl. My favorite girl in the world. What are you doing? Are you being a lazy bum? Huh? Are you being a lazy bum on the bed? What are you doing? Are you farting on my bed? K Ruggs, the sober dog, and Gemma girl coming at you from the park. K Ruggs, the sober dog, and Gemma girl. Gemma, come here. Saying what up? One of the positive things coming out of this terrible coronavirus situation is the animal adoption rate is way up. People are adopting dogs and cats and animals. So me and Gemma, hey, just want to say thank you. And that's awesome because animals can help and we could try to find, a silver lining in this terrible situation. See ya. Gemma, say peace. Come here. Say bye. Gemma, what are you doing? Hey. You lazy bum. What are you doing? Gemma? Gemma? Are you having fun in the car? Are you staying 6 feet away from other doggies? Huh? Are you staying 6 feet away from other doggies? No, you humping other doggies, huh? Doggy humper. When you sing your doggy's name. Gemma, nama, nam, Gemma, Gemma, Gem. Oh, my singing tires you? Gemma, nama, nam, Gemma, nama, nam. Gemma? Germa? German Irma? Hey, what are you doing? German Irma? German Irma? You want to eat? Oh, now you're up. You want to eat, huh? Lazy bum. You want to eat? You want to eat? Hey, Ruggs, the sober dog, and Gemma, the other sober dog. Tough times right now. Everyone's anxious, nervous. No one knows what's going on. It's a good time to remember the Serenity Prayer. Gemma. Hey, what do you do? Just get up and go from one bed to the other? You lazy bum. Gemma. What are you doing on my bed, you lazy bum? I'm scared of that coronavirus. I'm hiding. Where'd you go, Gemma? Huh? Where'd you go? You scared? Don't worry, doggies can't get it. Doggies can't get it. Yeah, Gemma. What? Shake. 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 Hey, shake. Huh. You are so cute. What are you doing?
Gemma, are you a good girl?
Watch the first one where the thing came back, the bus came back and blew up.
Look at that ugly face. He's a good boy.
But then I realized, I must have missed something was going on.
He's a good boy with an ugly face. Are you so cute? Gemma. Oh, must be nice. You get the whole bed and the blankets, and I gotta go to work? Huh? Yeah? You gonna sleep all day? Must be nice, Gemma. Must be nice, good girl. Spoiled girl. Hey. You gonna be good girl? Gemma, go outside. I'll go outside. You want a cookie? What kind of cookie? I want her to do that unruly. Do you wanna go outside? Do you wanna go see Buddy? You wanna go see Buddy? What? You don't like my new hairdo? Something wrong with my ears? Huh? I like my ears like that. Hey, what are you doing? I like my floppy ears up. Yeah.